Today we're going to talk about adjustments. An adjustment is the ability of an account manager to credit the customer in case he believes the business is entitled to compensation. On the other hand, it can give the ability to charge the business in case previous charges were incorrect. So let's go into an account to see an example. First, let's demonstrate where the charges are located under the account. If we scroll all the way down, we'll be able to see that the charges are located here. When we'll create the adjustment, everything we'll do in terms of charges and credit will be relating to this section. Under the account, click on Adjustments, and then click on New Adjustment. Here we have two options that were mentioned before, Charge and Credit. Let's start with Charge. As mentioned before, Charge is used when you believe the business has previous incorrect charges, and we'd now like to resolve them. Let's click on Continue. Now here we see all kinds of fields, where the first one will be the name of the account, and then we'll need to choose a service type. Here, you'll need to select the service that you would like to give an extra charge on. For example, SMS, email notifications, mobile payment, and more. UOM, which means unit of measure, represents the unit of the service type. For example, if you're using price per location, the unit is the location. Instead of selecting a field here, this field will soon be automatic, so you don't have to be worried about choosing a unit of measure. Next, we'll need to choose a related billing cycle. A related billing cycle means which billing cycle you'd like to fix. A billing cycle refers to the month of the bill. For example, August is a billing cycle. Now this part is very important. To choose a billing cycle, you need to click here and then type in the word cycle. And then from this point on, you can choose the month. For example, August. In order to choose a related charge, we'll need to actually use a real business. So let's switch. BBB, for example, and we'll choose price per location, and in this case we'll choose locations, but this will be filled in automatically. Now related charge is a specific charge from the selected billing cycle and service type that you chose and you'd like to give a charge to. To do so, click here and type in the word charge and then choose a relevant charge. Now the unit field shows the unit number that you're charging. For example, in case you need to charge him for an additional 2 locations, the unit will be 2. Or if you forgot to charge him for 1,000 SMS messages, the unit will be 1,000. Since we're using price per location, we'll choose 2 here, for example. And the amount is the sum that you'd like to charge them. For example, 500. And the last thing you'll need to fill in here is what is the adjustment reason, which is what is the reason you're giving this extra charge. And then once you're done, click on Save. So now that we understood how to charge, credit is very similar. We use the credit feature to give back money to the customer in case you believe the business needs to be compensated. The only thing that's different in credit is the amount that you'll need to type it in minus since you're giving back money. Besides that, credit is the same. And that's it. Make sense?